Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all those who are new and welcome back to everyone who's been joining me on this journey. I hope this angle is okay. I'm still pending on doing a behind the scenes, but I changed my setup a bit. I got like a huge, you guys can't see it, what is this thing called? Reflector. It's ginormous on the side. So hopefully the lighting is bouncing around and a little bit better. And I'm looking up at the camera. Keep that in mind. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. Today we're actually going to do a hair tutorial. I have been into hair so much lately. Believe it or not, I'm about to be adding extensions even though I'm loving my bob. I cut my natural hair into a bob. Yes, I did this myself. It took me a few hours. I'm actually quite impressed on what I did with the shaping, and I wanted to film that, but it was my first time cutting a bob and it was so strenuous that it would have been like a 5-hour video. But I'm loving this, but I had already ordered my hair, so I was like, okay, let me just do this. So I got my hair from Max Glam Hair, and they are clip-ins because I'm not good with the sew-ins. Well, I shouldn't say that. I've never tried a sew-in. I'm not putting any glue in my hair. One day I am going to try to make a wig, but for now, clip-ins where it's at. So I got 3 packs here, and this is just a, what is this, virgin Brazilian? I believe it's Brazilian. It's the natural color. This is dyeable, washable. I have some packs that I've had from a while ago, and this hair lasts a super long time. I just wanted a nice fresh set for my birthday. That's what I'm doing my hair for. So this is the 20-inch, and this is just the natural wave. And then I purchased an 18-inch and a 16-inch. I'll have this link down below. Max Glam Hair, I believe, is a vendor on AliExpress. I believe they may have their own site. I buy directly through them. They're quite inexpensive. I think my clip-ins total for 3 packs, I'm actually not sure. It's probably like 140 or something like that, but I'll have everything linked down below. So we are gonna go ahead and slay this hair with these clip-ins. So you guys just keep on watching. I hope you enjoy. We'll get back to the makeup, okay? But for now, we are definitely going to do the hair. So let's jump right in. So first things first, you're going to want to decide which way your hair is going to go. I'm kind of torn because I don't know if I want to just keep the deep part with my clip-ins or if I want to part it more so down the middle or not have it as deep. This is too many choices. I'm gonna look in the mirror here. I'm not gonna middle part it. I feel like I will regret that later. So me looking over here, I'm just looking in the mirror. I like to divide my hair in sections with the clip-ins. So this is the sparsest side of my hair, so I'm going to just pin this up, and then this side will have most of the 16-inch clip-ins to look like a nice huge bang. So let's part that off and pin this up. I normally only need 2 packs, but since I purchased 3, I'm gonna try to utilize all 3 packs. If anything, I'll just double the clips on top of each other. So I'm just gonna make my parts a little bit thinner than I normally do. So this is the part with the little baby hairs, the shortest part of my hair. Guys, I am not a hairdresser. So if this is a tactic that you don't do, stick to what you know and what you love. This is just what I do. All right, so with the clip-ins, I'm gonna keep it in the wave for now, but on my birthday, I'll probably go ahead and barrel curl them. So the pieces you get your little 1-inch clip. You get one that has 4 on it. This is your, I believe that is the biggest one. We have another one with 4, and trust me, 2 packs of this goes a long way. You'll be surprised. Even 1 pack if you just want a little bit of fullness. That's what I love about clip-ins. So we have a 3-clip one. We have another 3-clip. Don't worry, If you're pulling it apart and it gets a little crazy, I just take a denim brush. I don't know how to say these things. And just brush it out. Looks like we have some more 3 clips. And just brush these out a bit. And a 2 clip. Okay. So for the back of the hair, I can usually take the 1-inch clips. And with my hair, I think it'll be short enough now to where I will not have to wave it or curl it in any way, but I do have my flat iron here. I make my curls with my flat iron, that if it isn't blending, I can just go back. What I did when my hair was longer, I would curl it and then attach the clips and blend them in together that way. But I think it's short enough to where I'll be okay, at least in the back part of my hair. So it's literally, I don't know if y'all can see that. Boom. Simple as that. So let's go ahead and attach the second one. And look how long this is. Oh, it's so intense. All right, let's go ahead and do another part. And this doesn't have to be super precise with your parts or anything like that. Clip-ins are very forgivable, very beginner friendly. So I have the next little section out, and let's go ahead and I'm gonna take a 3-piece here. And I'm gonna clip the 3-piece in. So that's that. It's probably crooked. It doesn't matter. No one's gonna see your parts in the back of your head. So yeah, you just continue this on and on and on and on. It's very easy. I attached a 2-piece, which I probably should have did a row lower, but it's okay because I'm just gonna add the 1-inch clip right there. And I just brush it as I go. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Tell me what you. Okay, so all of the 20-inch bundles are in and attached. So you can see how it looks so far. Remember, nobody's going to be looking in the middle of your head. You're good to go. So where the preciseness comes in, the closer we get to the top, the more we'll make sure that it blends and looks really good. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the 18-inch and we'll keep on going. So with the 18 inches that we will be attaching, I'm going to go in reverse. So remember when we did the 20-inch, I started off with the smaller pieces and then ended off with the longest pieces. Well, we need to start with the longest pieces since we are in the middle of my head. So you can see I put most of the front of my hair up here and I don't have much left to attach 18-inch to. So I'm gonna try to make these parts pretty small as much as I can. We'll just kind of play it by ear and see what happens. So grabbing a 4 clip. And I like to put it in the middle first and then drag it off to the ends. And the hair, of course we have to add more, but it will start to layer. Babe, don't let it go. I know you want it now. I'm just waiting on you. These pictures got me fucked up and I don't wanna run, but I'm scrolling through my phone. Now I'm about to double tap it so you know how I feel. I don't even know what your name is. To show you that I'm there, I'm liking shit from weeks ago. Don't
Don't try to front like we both liking bitches for nothing. I think that you're my favorite, baby. I really wanna tell her, I really wanna tell her. My women crush Wednesday, tell me what's better. I really wanna tell her. I really wanna tell her. My women crush Wednesday, tell me what's better.
See, we started off with some likes on our TBTs. Damn girl, you been bad since your throwbacks. Who's that girl rough riding like you Evie Eve? And even Stevie J comment on your Kodak. Hold up, let me slow up. You be my woman crush Wednesday once the picture load up. I don't care one follow. Now the model book of models and these feelings leaving heat like LeBron did for Cleveland, baby. You should check your DM hoe.
I don't even know what your name is. To show you that I'm there, I'm liking shit from weeks ago. Don't try to front like we both liking bitches for nothing. I think that you're my favorite, baby. I really wanna tell her. I really wanna tell her. My women crush Wednesday, tell me what's better. I really wanna tell her. I really wanna tell her. My women crush Wednesday, tell me what's better.
Tell me what's better.
Oh baby, yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know how to say it. I really wanna tell her. I really wanna tell her. My women crush Wednesday, tell me what's better. I really wanna tell her. I really wanna tell her. My women crush Wednesday, tell me what's better.
Tell me what's better.
Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed, and tune in to my next video because we will be hopping back into makeup.